Hey guys, today we will talk about how can you go to project on your Yelp app. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do is you just go down here, you click here on more down here. So and you come to next step here in this window. Then all you have to do now is you just click here on go to projects. So then it's going to take you here in this list. Then all you have to do now is you just click here on request with error. Then it's going to take you here in this list, and here can you choose so what type of service do you need. In here can you so just choose if you want to. So I'm click here on auto repair here. So then it's going to take us here in this window, and here can you choose what type of auto repair service do you need. So here can you choose repair is here, and then it's going to take us here in here. So you choose for example, so I'm just here. So I'm click here on not here, and do you need one service? Click here on yes, and yes here. So and here can you add a model of your car. Here is a car, so I'm going to add so like this for example, and you click here on next, and here so add there any other details do you like to search. So I'm going to add, and you click here on next, and here you add your zip code here. So I'm going to add it here, and you click here on next, and here you add your picture, and you click here or you click on skip, then it's going to add with you here, and here can you send a request here. So and so now you send in your project to Yelp app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking